Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we made it, guys. Now we are in the final weeks until Santa Claus comes. And you guys can add this to your list or check out now. All you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your cart, and they'll ship this to you fast. Take a look. Bada boom. This is going to be coming from LIKORLOVE USB 3.0. That's why we're in my computer area setup. So we're going to hook this up. And that's why I have the lights off right now. About that time to go to sleep. And just been having internet issues all day with WoW, so finally got that back running. Ooh, I got a lot of USB ports. Alright, hold on one sec. Alright guys, here is the nice cable that came with it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but really thick cable. And now you guys go into space for a second. Just give me 1 sec. There we go. It's plugged in. See? Bada boom. Just gotta find a spot on my computer. That is USB. There we go. Unplug. It should light up. Oh yeah. She is working. Boom. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this is my Bluetooth for my headset, my Rocat. I'm gonna plug that one in. Definitely need one of these, guys. Especially a lot of us are working from home, homeschooling. You can plug your headphones. This lets me. Come on. Almost there, guys. Doesn't like that one. Let me try. Okay, that worked. Turn that on. So there you go. I got 7 more USBs added to this computer, and that's Lenovo PC. There's a USB. So check them out. Link down below. Be safe. See you tomorrow.